The story begins when a fan accidentally came across Lee Gay's professional restoration work and without hesitation decided to send in his 20-plus-year-old Mercedes S-Class for a complete overhaul. The car traveled over 1,300 kilometers from Inner Mongolia on a transport truck, and when we first saw it, the condition was rough. The paint was covered in scratches and dents, the headlights were badly yellowed, the windshield was leaking, and even the side mirrors were loose. The moment we opened the door, a strong smell of sheep manure hit us, making us wonder if the owner had been driving it out to herd sheep. The vehicle showed severe aging everywhere, clearly reflecting the many years it had been through. We drove it back to the shop to inspect the chassis, and on the way, the body swayed badly, gear shifts were jerky, and strange noises came from all directions, and it did not feel like a Mercedes at all. Once we lifted it up, we realized the problems were serious, because the engine was leaking oil, the shocks were damaged and losing air, and the rubber bushings were severely worn, which explained the constant squeaking on the road. After discussing everything with the owner, he made a firm decision that cost did not matter as long as the car could be restored to like-new performance. We immediately began preparing a complete restoration plan covering the chassis, engine, paintwork, exterior, and interior. And now it is time to begin everyone's favorite part, the full teardown. The interior was extremely dirty, covered in dirt and debris, and the mechanic's hands quickly turned black from the grime. Authentic grassland debris was everywhere. We spotted a bulging battery, removed it immediately, and continued the teardown. At this point, the interior was completely stripped out, and all that remained was dirt and trash. And this car had clearly suffered over the past 20 years. Next, we will fully rewrap the interior, including the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel with brand new materials. And now it is time to drop the engine. No more talk, let's get started. The inside is full of sludge. Why is this exhaust pipe leaking? The tire cracked into a canyon-like shape. Drain the engine oil, otherwise it will leak completely. Next, we drained the transmission fluid and antifreeze, and then extracted the power steering fluid. Unexpectedly, the car also brought a lot of local specialties. Remove the exhaust pipe. Dropped engine. The engine has been removed, and taking a closer look, this engine from the grasslands is worn and aged, full of wear and tear, with clear signs of its years. Next, it will be handed to the engine team for inspection and repair. Then the rear axle will be removed. As expected, the bushings are severely worn and need full replacement, so we begin disassembling the engine immediately. Look at this engine. With 450,000 kilometers, it has been surprisingly well maintained. The engine disassembly is now complete with serious carbon buildup. Next, we will use ultrasonic cleaning, replace what needs replacing, repair what needs repairing, and transform it from this to like new. Install fuel injector. Specialized inspection computer queries. Original vehicle data. Restore original torque. Install fuel injector. The engine and transmission are now combined with the engine cradle assembly. The V6 engine is now fully assembled. Next, we will clean the chassis and begin reassembling the car. Engine installed. The entire car has been painted and polished, completing the exterior and chassis restoration. Next, we turn to the interior, which was severely aged, dusty, and sticky. In previous steps, we fully disassembled the interior, thoroughly cleaned it, and redid the sound insulation. The old leather was completely replaced, while keeping the original padding, now fully wrapped in new Nappa leather, with precision machine perforation. Original ventilation and heating features were preserved and double-stitched. 3D tailoring was applied. The dashboard was covered in soft black Nappa leather. Door panels were refitted with double stitching to enhance depth. The headliner was replaced with suede for better touch, and new black carpets were installed. Hollow buttons were refinished to restore metallic shine wood. Trim was sanded and sprayed while preserving the grain, and assembly was done with meticulous precision. The result is a fully restored interior with matte black Nappa leather perfectly tensioned and aligned, blending classic Mercedes design with modern leather craftsmanship. The renewed cabin is quiet deep and exudes timeless luxury. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Some say spending tens of thousands to restore a 20-year-old car is pointless, and it's better to buy a new one. But for true car lovers, this isn't just about yes or no, it's about preserving an emotional connection. When the familiar engine sound comes back, and the restored interior shines like new, it feels like time has reversed. The car may be old, but its spirit never fades. If you have an old car like this, would you choose to restore it? Share your model and chat with Ligay about it.